Oh.
Oh.
Oh,
That
that's
wind
cold.
might be too bad.
Oh, that's cold.
All right, so it's like 23 degrees out here. And
the wind chill is probably like 17.
yeah, it feels like 18. We're ready for June.
We need to go get some propane so that we can last today and tomorrow. So we're gonna go.
And then we're gonna start making plans for getting the heck out of Oregon. So a couple of videos back we talked about, you know, kind of preparing for, you know, winter weather and how you know, get through that. This storm pretty much snuck up on us. Got about 9 inches of snow. Roads are icy. They just said on the radio that the main roads are clear. They've been out there doing their job. But
it's a side streets.
Yeah, it's the side streets. You got to get into four-wheel drive to get out of your neighborhood.
It's looking pretty icy from what I can see. Just
which really begs the question: do we need to be here? Do we need to put up with this wintry crap?
What, and go to Texas where they have wintry crap?
Well, I mean, I know that the whole country is getting blasted right now, but by and large,
I know Florida's at 91 today.
Yeah, we really need to start thinking, and it's got us thinking about our future plans and maybe moving the timeline up a little bit. So yeah, we got a bunch of snow. So I'm putting water in the fresh tank because it looks like we're not going to get above 30 until about 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. So it doesn't kill us to throw some water in the fresh tank, and that way we don't have to worry about tomorrow getting up and not having some water. And our tanks are heated. So I've already got the black and gray tanks heated, and the fresh tank heaters are on. So now I'm just watching the monitor there. We're about a third full. Get some water in there, and I think we're going to be okay to get through the night. So we had these wonderful plans to go out to a 5-star restaurant tonight to celebrate our 31st anniversary. But then Snowmageddon hit.
And I'm okay with that.
So I just cooked some beautiful ribeyes.
Yeah.
And we got some garlic Parmesan something noodles. And we're going to just hunker down here in the happy place and have a quiet anniversary evening.
Yeah.
Dinner ready.
I love you.
I love you too. So we're just thinking there's a big discussion. Well, if you're on the internet and you're on YouTube, it seems that nobody is satisfied with their rig. Everybody has to change something. And we're all for it. If it makes the rig your own. I mean, look what we did with the Passport.
Yeah, we did a lot of stuff.
We did a lot of changes with the Passport. And really, off the shelf, the Passport, there was nothing wrong with it.
The banquet seating.
Yeah, we took out that dining.
It was getting too uncomfortable.
That was uncomfortable. The chairs were uncomfortable. So, yeah, we made lots of modifications to the Passport, and now we're in this Montana, which off the shelf, there is absolutely nothing wrong with this.
No.
But it begs the question, if we were going to change anything, what would we change? And I will tell you that we've only changed one thing so far, and that was the bed. Because they come standard with king beds. We put a queen bed in there and cut the bed platform down to give us more room.
Right.
But, you know, what else would you change if we just had an unlimited budget and we absolutely felt there was a need to change something?
thing that I would change right now would be the couches and the love seat. One being the color, because it is kind of dark.
The only difference between the 3761 FL that we have and the other 3761 FL is the color of the
and you
the
like
couches.
You like this because this is the bourbon one, right?
Well, I like it, but I also like the light color also. So I agree. If we could change these out today, I would change them out.
Even if it was like a lighter brown or a gray.
But I would also change them out for different furniture. These recliners are comfortable, they're fine. But I wouldn't mind having two separate chairs. This connection point here.
We're always having to push it back in.
Push it in, and having two separate chairs would be fine. And we also don't need the scissor beds in these fold outs, because what we found was with that air mattress, the grandkids like the air mattress better anyway. So having that as an option to take out, number one, it would save weight, and number two, we're not folding them out. I would rather take those beds out and have storage under there to put blankets and whatnot. So the color and the furniture themselves. Yeah, and the other things that we've done is we put the extra shelving in our bedroom cabinets and in the kitchen cabinets. I don't know why that isn't standard from the factory. And I would say standard from the factory should be adjustable shelving.
Yes.
In the kitchen cabinets, especially the pantry one. I think that should all be adjustable shelving in there. So I do have a couple projects that we are going to do that I guess we could consider modifications. Number one, when we were at Tampa and saw the Brinkley, not impressed, by the way. I know everybody has this love fest with it. I would not trade my Montana for the Brinkley. However, they took their fenders, the wheel well fender wells, and they rivet them in instead of screwing them in. I'll be doing that. That is an hour project. That's definitely something that's on our list once the weather gets nice. Number two, we're installing the Power Watchdog inline surge protector. That's an absolute must in my opinion. And again, that's an hour-long project. And again, I just have to wait till the temperatures get above 25 because I'm not doing that work out there in the cold. And then number three, which is our big one, and there's going to be a lot more coming out on this, we are going to upgrade to lithium batteries.
Yes, we are. So
we've got a great partnership coming up. Not going to talk a lot about it right now, but we are changing out to lithium to enhance our 400 watts of solar that's on the roof.
If you guys are doing any modifications, let us know. That'd be kind of interesting to see what everybody else does.
Yeah, drop something in the comment section, which is below. If you're watching this on TV, I don't know where the comment section is. Hey, if you're enjoying our videos, share it with a friend. Really appreciate it. We're quickly approaching some significant goals for us, and we want to keep the community growing. And if you're enjoying the videos and you haven't subscribed, and I know you probably haven't, because
of the people that are watching our videos,
71% of you are not subscribed. It's free.
Free is a very good price.
Come on, help us out.
Come on. All right. So anyway, we'll see you next week.